How do marketers leverage your brain wiring? Welcome to Three Insights in about 3 minutes. I'm Drew Dinkelacker. Today, we're talking with Ellza Malok. She's the Fractional Head of Marketing at Ambiance IQ, where they leverage neuroscience to enhance your brand. Ellza, help me understand where neuroscience and marketing come together.
Neuroscience is the study of the nervous system and the brain. And that includes both neurochemistry and experimental psychology, kind of in its own big umbrella. And those control emotions and behaviors. And the way that we tap into that is what's called neuromarketing, is we take that information, that intelligence that science researchers have done, and we apply it through your brand identity, your audience, even down to the hour.
How would neuroscience influence the playlist throughout the store?
So music is very powerful. It stores memories in different area than general memories are kind of stored. It's one of the reasons why Alzheimer's patients can still play songs or remember songs that that even though they might be in the later stages of Alzheimer's. Great background music understands that with neuroscience, you can actually tap into what's called the reminiscence bump and log into those areas of the brain where you can remember memories through nostalgia. And that's not necessarily playing the specific song. It's playing the nodes of the specific song, similarities to it that have similar streets, whether that be harmony or tone or just the rhythm and the tempo that is playing through. And that's how you pull that into making sure that your REM bump is occupied and enjoying its time just as much as you are if you're at a store.
Can you give me an example of a music selection that would be a better fit for fast casuals versus, say, fine dining?
Yeah, so if you're kind of in that fast casual breakfast lunch period, you really want something that's kid friendly and more universal to the audience, because the audience is much more diverse. So Living on a Prayer of Bon Jovi would be a really good or safe option in that space. If you're in the fine dining experience, you can see how staunchly almost odd that would come off, because not only would that not mix with the audience because of the type of environment that you're going through, say a happy hour period, but it also brings the music up to the forefront, which is something you don't want. You want to make sure they stay in the background, so that way they're still enjoying their period of time in with their friends or colleagues or whoever they're with. And pulling that through. And that's how you make sure that you have really good music. If the music stays back there, the back of your brain is playing with it, not the forefront.
Neuroscience is a very rich topic for marketers. Ellza, thanks for bringing us some clarity about it. Three is a production of MarketingAccelerator.com and just one of the resources we provide to accelerate marketing leaders. I'm Drew Dinkelacker.